Hi, this is Raj Ravishankar with another episode of Friday Poems, a weekly program we are uploading on YouTube every Friday. Around 40 poets have come up with their poems and read their poems here. We expect many more to come and read their poems. We request them to do so. The poet we are introducing today is Dr. NITHYA MARIAM John. She is a poet and translator from Kerala. Apart from three short collections of poems titled Ruminations and Reflections, A Pinch of Poetry, and and Perspectives, Bleeds and Rolls, and Poetry Soup. Her scribblings have been published in Indian Literature, Alipur Post, Borderless Journal, Gulmohar Quarterly, Hyderabad Literature Festival, Khabar, News India, Samyukta Poetry, Usava Literary Review, Sankalp and Double Speak. Her forthcoming poetry collection is Muddy River Review and Last Leaves. She teaches in a college in Kerala, and we welcome her. She is reading her two poems, Wheelbarrow and Eleada. Eleada is a sweet specialty of Kerala. So over to Dr. Nithya Mariam John to read her poems.
Hi there. It's a pleasure to be with you and to be part of Friday Poems hosted by Raj. Thank you, Raj, for inviting me and giving me space here. I would like to read two poems. One is titled The Wheelbarrow, which was first published in the Hyderabad Literature Festival supplement cover issue in the month of August. And this poem is based on something which I saw and something which affected me quite to the core, I should say. I saw three people rolling down a street in a wheelbarrow, and what the emotions which I felt on that particular day when I saw the family, literally in a wheelbarrow, was something which finally made into a poem. So to the poem. The Wheelbarrow. Life goes on like before, people standing, sitting and walking. Patricia Cowell. The three rolled up our street. The lady curved into the hollowness of a blue wheelbarrow, a gaping toddler on her lap, measuring a slice of the wide blue sky, and the man who heaved the length of the ascent, sweating. The weight of a family rained all across the back of his blue shirt. My second poem is titled Ilayada, which does not need any extra description because I'm sure that many of us are fond lovers of this sweet snack from Kerala. Ilayada. In the morning, my taste buds could not but welcome a tender plantain leaf which had climbed over the wall and gently opened its green arms to me. The steamer belches in joy. Rice cakes caught in a menage, melted jaggery and coconut snuggling in emerald blankets. Hope the owner of the plantain roots, my neighbor, won't mind a leaf half cut in his plentiful field. The poem was first published as one among the 10 poems selected as part of the Alipur Post Museum of Art and Photography project on food poetry. Thank you.